Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get jumbo box braids using the rubber band method. So I sectioned my hair off and I'm going to show you really quickly how I make one part in the back of my head, and then I'll update you guys every time I come and finish a section with the parting. But this is just a quick view of how I part my hair in the back. So for each little part that you make, you're going to take some shine-in jam or any type of holding gel or jam of your choice, and then you're going to add some to each individual section just so that the hair can stay in place and you can really slick down your roots. And then you're going to add a rubber band and section off each section. That's going to be the section that you're going to use for each individual box braid that you make. So this is just the first section that I have in the back done. What I did is I made 3 different sections or 3 different parts for each section just in the back, and then I'm going to continue working my way up to the middle section. That's one section up higher than the one in the back where I made 4. So you're going to stagger your parts so that they don't line up perfectly. And y'all, I'm doing this by myself, so some of my parts might line up, but the whole goal was just to stagger the parts so that when the braids fall, they fall in between each other. So this is what my hair is looking like when it's all completed. I did it all myself. Like I said, my parts might not be completely straight, but this is as good as I could get it on my own. So yeah, here's my parting section. So the parting took me about 45 minutes to complete, which is phenomenal for me. This is not the first time I've ever done this. This is just the first time I've ever made a video. But you could expect it for your first time to take anywhere between 45 minutes to an hour on average. This is the braiding hair I use, guys. This is the Femi brand. It is 3 bundles per pack, and I ended up using both packs, so a total of 6 little bundles. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a section of hair. What I did is I broke up each bundle into 4 pieces because I wanted each braid to be pretty big. So what you do is you're gonna loop your hair around the rubber band and then braid your hair like you would a regular braid. So you'll see me do this several times, but what you're gonna do is just place the braiding hair on top of your hair just to cover the rubber band and then braid as normal. But I promise I'll slow it down and give you guys a more detailed look here in a second. Alrighty, so here's a more detailed look on how I braid my hair. So take the braiding hair, place it right on top of the rubber band, just like I'm doing. Then you grab your hair and the braiding hair and you literally just start braiding like you would a regular plait. Now for my hair, because my hair is a little bit longer, I'm able to just use the braiding hair as 2 pieces and then my hair as the 3rd piece. And as I get closer down to where the bottom of my hair is, I'll start adding additional pieces of braiding hair into my hair so that the braid can continue down and keep the same thickness all the way down. Now even though my braiding hair is feathered, I want it to still remain big, you know, like the same thickness. That way each braid kind of looks more uniform. Look at me dancing. Girl, you couldn't tell me nothing while I was braiding this hair. All right, we're gonna take one more really detailed look on how to braid. So you're gonna take your braiding hair, place it right on top of the rubber band, and then add your hair in and just start braiding all the way down. Now, as you get closer to the end of your hair, just start adding hair from that same braid in with the section that has your hair in it, so that when you get down to the end, you can't see where your hair would stick out, like where it would end on the braid. So just gradually add hair from the same different sides in with your hair so that the consistency and the thickness can stay the same. So if you see here, guys, this is what my hair looks like with a total of all 3 bundles in. So this is 3 bundles of hair, and then I'm going to use the other pack of hair that has another 3 bundles in it to finish it off. Alright y'all, so this is the final product. I have 22 braids in total in my hair. It took a little less than, I'd say 2.5 hours to do this. I did take breaks, but this is everything. I braided the hair all the way down. I did not cut any of it off. 22 jumbo braids in less than 2.5 hours. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one.